Hello friends, in this video, let's learn to draw rabbits. This rabbit character is very famous in cartoon films. This rabbit's name is Bugs Bunny. Have you ever watched the cartoon series? Let's start drawing and coloring Bugs Bunny. Come on, let's go. So for the first stage, we start drawing the head. Pay attention to the steps, friend. Because we are going to make this character, so you can see whether the image will be similar to the one in the original image, watch until the end, friend. And for the part of the image that is written on the front, you have to pay attention to this part, friends. And for the eyes, you have to be careful when applying the apodol, because this is part of the eye. What do you think, guys? Are the pictures similar? What do you think out of 100 is the value of this picture? Okay, guys, the sketching stage is complete, and we will continue coloring it. It's very easy for this cartoon character. There are only 2 colors, friend.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck 2, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck 3, fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4, he ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5, she went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6, oh fiddle-sticks. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. 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 Hickory dickory dock.
How easy it is, friend. Isn't it how to make a Bugs Bunny cartoon character? Continue to support this channel, guys, by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you.